Is identifying and ordering spare parts for your compressors a challenge? Struggling to track compressor maintenance schedules and service requests? Spending considerable time searching for critical documentation? Introducing myFleet, your all-in-one digital platform for seamless service access and smarter compressor management. From maintenance planning to spare parts ordering and incident tracking, myFleet gives you a single access point to manage every aspect of your compressor operations. Access detailed technical information, operation status, and critical documents of your compressor fleet. When an issue arises, staying organized is key. With myFleet, logging service incidents is seamless, ensuring every detail is recorded for faster resolutions. With mySpares, finding and ordering spare parts is easy. Browse installed assets, create wish lists, request quotes, and place orders directly or through a supplier management tool, all within one platform. Raising service requests and keeping track of them is effortless with myServices. View past, ongoing, and upcoming maintenance activities. myFleet also empowers users to access performance monitoring solutions for their compressors with a single click. Smart, connected, effortless. Explore how myFleet can optimize operations and boost your business.